Ready to go. What's going on, everybody? Your boy News Now California out in the state of Colorado at the Glenwood Springs Courthouse building. And what are we doing? We're doing a picnic audit, guys. Let's see if they respect my right to cook food in front of the courthouse. Let's check out what I got going on, guys. We got the organic turkey. You want to stay healthy. I got some butter, then I got chicken. All right, guys, this is the way we do it. Gonna add the bell peppers into the mix. All right, guys, we're gonna let it sizzle for a few more minutes, then we're gonna add the turkey, and let's see if I get in handcuffs before I can eat my meal. Let's see if they're gonna cuff me and put me in the dungeon for cooking and doing a picnic audit. Picnic audits are the way to go, guys. Boom, let's continue. The eggs are coming nicely. Hard-boiled eggs with hummus on Ezekiel bread with capatipo hot sauce. Living the dream, guys. Living the dream. You can live the dream too, guys. Reach out to me, guys, so you can learn all of my cooking skills. And like I say, hit me up. I own a surf camp, guys. If you can guess where I bought these eggs, what farm in the United States, I am going to fly you down to my surf camp in Costa Rica, which I bought from residual income of getting arrested by dirty cops suing them, and now I just travel the country in my luxurious RV and do picnic audits, plus other things. Enjoy life, guys, while you can. Life is short, just like me. I am chowing down like a G. Well, little G, I'm 2 feet 11, but I wear high heels because I like to dress up for occasions. And these hard-boiled eggs are for the road. I put them on some bread, Ezekiel bread, because I watch my trim physique. At my old age, I gotta stay healthy. I don't want to die at 100, and I'm almost there. 2 more years, I'm 100 years old, guy. If you want to support burying me in a casket, I really am short, so we don't even need a casket. We just need to put me in a shoebox. Okay, guys, let's add the turkey. So far, so good. No arrest of me has been attempted. How good can it be? How good can it be, guys? And so far, everything's good. Haven't been arrested. Don't want to go to the pen again. Let's continue with the meal. Almost finished. Today we are not doing parking lot chicken or any parking lot cooking, although I am a master chef in parking lots, whether they're asphalt or concrete. But today I have grass, and I want to take advantage of the nice grass and the trees here. And there's no people, because let's face it, guys, I'm antisocial. No smoking beyond this point. Rules, rules, rules. No skateboarding on county property. Rules, rules, rules. Can't bring in firearms, knives, scissors, needles, cases, explosive, and tools. Okay, what about hard-boiled eggs, turkey, and chicken? Onions and bell peppers. I don't see it on the list, so I may bring it in. Let's see how the chicken's coming along, guys. It's looking pretty good. I would say so myself. Being a master chef, I learned all my culinary schools in prison. Everybody loves my hot pockets. Soaking up that butter. That's what we're doing, guys. Tasty as F. Let's turn up the heat. Get the sizzle and char going. All right, guys, let's flip the bird. This is the amusement park they got going up at the top of the hill in Glenwood Springs, Colorado. Let's test it out, guys. Let's taste the chicken, guys. I think it's almost done. The small piece, but the big one's still gotta go. Why? Because we need to eat cooked chicken. All right, guys, let's load up the chicken on the turkey. See what we got going here. Do it by hands because fingers are always tasty. And there we got it, folks. A feast to be reckoned with. Thanks for joining me.
Gonna have to see ID. Hands out your pockets for officer safety. So where you coming from? And what does it make you think that you have freedom?
Boom, let's do it.